Can't sleep because of noisy neighbors? Here's what you should know before things escalate. Hi everyone, I'm Talia, proudly representing StrataGuide, and welcome to Let's Talk Strata, where we turn complex strata issues into simple, practical guidance. When dealing with noise issues, start by documenting the disturbance. Note the time, date, type of noise, and how often it happens. If it's appropriate and safe, a respectful conversation with your neighbor can often resolve the issue quickly without escalation. Keep communication calm and solution-focused. If the noise continues, check your building bylaws, as they often define acceptable noise levels and quiet hours. From there, submit a formal complaint to your strata manager or committee with your records, so it can be properly assessed and acted on. Don't forget to follow StrataGuide for more practical strata tips, updates, and expert insights that help you better understand your rights and responsibilities in your community. That's all for today's Strata Insight. Thanks for watching Let's Talk Strata, and I'll see you in the next episode.